Akona Vinyl Cement Patch makes repairing cracks and pop-outs in concrete easy. Vinyl cement patch is available in various sizes and can be applied from feather edge up to a ½ inch deep. Read the product data sheet thoroughly and properly prepare the area prior to the application. Using Akona Concrete and Masonry Restoration Cleaner, clean all surfaces to be repaired to ensure proper bonding. Start by adding clean, cool water to a clean pail, then add powder for easier mixing. For best results, mix the entire bag. Using a margin trowel, mix about 2 to 3 minutes to a uniform, lump-free, putty-like consistency. Just prior to placing the product, thoroughly dampen the surface, leaving no puddles. Using a trowel, apply to the areas to be repaired. The result is a smooth, sound surface which can now accept a cementitious resurfacer if desired. For deeper repairs, apply in ½ inch layers or try Akona Instant Patching Cement. For more information on our products, visit www.tccmaterials.com.